Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm here at a garage sale and just made a score. Got this little Crusader Sander. Cost me a grand total of $3. It's got to have a pad put on it, but I think I got a piece of foam. Should make it work just fine. I like these old aluminum body jobs. They just feel right. $6 in, and now I've got a charger for those Craftsman batteries. This one says 14.4. That's probably a little much for the 7.2, but you know, we could try bumping it. Cool. That's the haul for today. Don't know if any of these work, so we're gonna have to check those out. But that'll be for another day. I got rooms to paint, places to go, things to do. Well, I'm back home. I've got all the stuff in the truck and I gotta unload. Did pretty good, but now I got other things to do. I got a yard to mow and stuff to take care of, walls to paint, things to do. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I rate them all. Thanks for watching. I got all these batteries. What am I going to do with batteries?